but we do have a person on site who looks after the public. Oh, definitely, he'll help them with the prams, and he'll even carry them if he has to. So we're currently at the prep stage of Labour Weekend. A lot of the pedestrian crossings are still quite ancient. What I like about this one is it's a pedestrian level crossing upgrade. It'll have automatic gates. You know, when the train's coming, the gates are closing automatically, and it's a lot more safer for pedestrians when they want to cross. The amount of work that we're doing, we can't just do it over a period of one day or even many hours. So it's quite a long job. And we require, because we can't do 24 hours, having a long weekend allows us to dive into a bit deeper, and then all the boys just get in there and just do the work that's required, yeah. Our biggest challenge working here is the residential area. We'll be only doing day works only. There may be some times where we may be a bit noisy for our machinery, and if we do see neighbours, have we done in the past, we just let them know up front that, hey, this is going to be quite loud for a second, but we'll try and keep it to a minimum. Well, this is a family area. You've got the school just over there, so it's quite active. You know, like we do expect a lot of school children to come past here. But again, we take all of that into consideration, especially with mothers pushing their prams. But we do have a person on site who looks after the public. His role is to make sure if we've got vehicles operating across there, because in a way the vehicles are like a train. They're going backwards and forwards over the crossing, but there's no alarms operating. So his role is to make sure that all work is stopped, and then once all work is stopped and it's safe to travel, he will then direct the public across the pedestrian crossing. Oh, definitely, he'll help them with the prams, and he'll even carry them if he has to. So when I was a bit younger, I used to live here with my parents just up the road here. So it's actually quite special coming back here and upgrading the network and getting with the times, man. You know.